Good morning. Today we are at SGAI exhibition, Sugar Technologies Association of India. We are participating in this event for more than a decade. We have been supplying many equipments starting from waste heat recovery as well as air pollution control systems to the sugar industries. Few of our products start from, we have bagasse dryer for reducing the moisture of bagasse before entering into the boilers, wherein we reduce the moisture in bagasse, which helps in increasing the efficiency of the boiler as well as saving of the fuel. In air pollution control systems, we have wet scrubbers. We are the leading manufacturers of wet scrubber in the sugar industry. Out of 500 installations, 400 installations are itself of wet scrubber that we have supplied to the industries. With wet scrubber, we can achieve less than 50 milligram emission. We have bag house, bag filters for the slop fired applications, for the incineration boilers, and we have electrostatic precipitators meeting emission 30 milligram outlet emission for bagasse fired boilers as well as slop fired boilers. Our innovation side involves electrified gravel bed precipitator, which is specifically designed for high alkalis and high sticky dust nature fuels, which is a slop fired boiler, wherein we are attaching this EGB at the outlet of ESP, because in India, in slop fired boilers, many of the sugar mills are facing some challenges in operating the boilers with ESP. To meet those challenges, we are installing EGB in the downstream of ESP to meet the emissions, and which can achieve less than 20 milligram outlet emission. And this new innovation of ours in the sugar industry is this wet electrostatic precipitator, wherein you can achieve less than 5 milligram outlet emission on a bagasse fired boiler. And this is many sugar boilers in India are installed with wet scrubbers. All the sugar mills who are having wet scrubber in their boilers have the opportunity to upgrade their existing wet scrubber into wet ESP and meet the emission norms below 5 milligram outlet emission. I'll show you one more innovation of ours. This is a hybrid bagasse dryer, hybrid biomass dryer. It's specifically for the boilers who want to achieve stringent emission norm as well as save the fuel and increase the boiler efficiency. Wherein what we are doing is, this is a hybrid model. It's a combination of bagasse dryer followed by wet ESP. Bagasse dryer, we are doing waste heat recovery, and then wet ESP, we are reducing the emission to below 5 milligram outlet emission. We are currently installing at Balrampur Sugar Mill in their unit. We are installing 2 hybrid biomass dryers. Also, we are manufacturing bio pellets. We are an EPC player focusing on sustainability. Right? We are producing these bio pellets. We are an EPC player. We provide machineries, set up complete plants. So do follow us, do join us at every exhibitions. Thank you.